Hello, welcome once again. So in this particular video, we're going to be looking at how to create inventory for your purchase. So for any item you are purchasing, now you get to create an inventory for such item on the software. So you're just simply going to come to this left hand side and click on inventory and click on add purchase. So once you click on add purchase, you're going to find yourself in this particular page. So the first thing you're going to do is to add the vendor you are making that purchase from. What vendor are you buying those products from? What does that imply? That means you must have created a vendor before now, which we already created a video for, which you can watch. So you are going to pick out of the vendors you have created, which out of those vendors are you buying that product from? So you're going to click on this here and pick out of the vendors. I'm going to go ahead and pick on vendor one, which is one of the vendors I have already on this demo account. And then you're going to add an invoice number for that particular invoice. Let me go ahead and add this number. And then you're going to give it details, like details about the purchase. So this is dependent on you. So you're going to go ahead and fill in the details about the purchase for this particular inventory. The next thing you're going to pick is the payment type, cash or bank transfer. So we're going to go ahead and pick anyone. So I'm going to pick cash. And then here, you're going to pick the store. In the next video, I'm going to show us, or in this particular one, I'm going to show us how to create store. So I'm just going to simply go ahead and pick one of the stores. And then the next thing you're going to do is what product are you making purchase? Like what product are you buying from the vendor? What that simply means is that you must have created this product also on the software because you have to pick out of those products. So which products out of those products you have created are you buying from the vendor? So let's say this is what I'm buying from. So I'm just going to go ahead and pick this. And then I'm going to go ahead and pick the quantity. So let's say the quantity is 8. And then the next thing you're going to do is what's the paid amount for that particular product? How much are you paying the vendor? So I'm going to go ahead and add this. Having done that, the next thing you're going to do is to submit. So with this, you've already been able to successfully create a purchase inventory. So how do you get to see what you just created? Simply come back to inventory at this left hand side, click on inventory, and then come to manage purchase. So from this section here, you can get to manage, see your purchase based on the dates you make those purchase. And then from here, you can either edit them, make corrections to them, to whatever purchase you just made. So from here, you can manage your purchase. You can get to see them after you must have created the inventory. So as I said, two essential things you need before creating your purchase inventory is that you must already have your vendor name. That means you must have created your vendor before now. And then another thing is you must have created your product. There's no way you can create an inventory without already creating the product. So without your product, you can actually create your inventory. So you need to create your product first before creating your inventory. As I said, also in creating your purchase inventory, you need to add your store. So how are you going to go about adding your store? Also, still on inventory, you're going to click on inventory and you're going to scroll down. after the drop down, and then you're going to see manage store. So from here you can get to add the store of or wherever you're making your purchase from, because you need to add this store because this particular store is going to reflect on any purchase inventory you are going to make. So having click on inventory, you're going to see the drop down and you're going to simply click on manage store. And then the next thing you're doing is to click on add new. And so from here you can add the name of the store. Uh, is there a branch for it? You can just pick a branch. And then what's the status? Is the store active or not active? So having done that, the next thing you're doing is to save. So with this, you have successfully added uh, your store, which which is what you will need in creating your purchase inventory. So you can see the store we just added not too long. So you can see the particular store here. So so this video should assist us in creating our inventory, and it should also assist us in creating stores which will be needed in creating our purchase inventory. Thank you, everyone, and I hope you get value from this